What's up guys, Automated Dad here. Today we're unboxing and reviewing the Homerton 2 internet radio music system from Majority Audio. So without any further ado, let's go. I found this product to be well built and stylish too, with an LCD display on the front, and on top you'll find an upwards firing speaker, and on the back you'll find an audio in port, a USB port, a port for headphones and a power port. The Homerton 2 comes in two finishes. It comes in a black finish, and what I went for is the oak finish. On the bottom you'll find some rubber feet to keep this in place. After powering it on, setup was a breeze. With the navigation menu easy to navigate, I was up and going in no time. Enjoy music from the FM radio or the built-in DAB radio for even greater quality. A big draw with the Homerton 2 was the ability for me to dig out my old CD collection and start playing music I haven't heard in years. Simply insert a disc and the Homerton 2 will automatically switch to CD mode and start playing tracks. Or if you desire, you can load up a USB stick with your favourite songs and play them through the USB port on the back. Or simply connect your phone or tablet and play music using Bluetooth. A great feature about this product is the internet radio, which will give you access to thousands of stations from across the world. I found the sound to be clear and packs a punch. There is also an equalizer in the menu, so you can adjust the audio to your liking. This may be small, but the Homerton 2 definitely can fill a room. With the volume up, the audio is still clear with no distortion. An ability that sets this apart from many others is the option to listen to your favourite podcast with a few clicks of a button. Connect your Spotify account and in no time at all you'll be playing your favourite playlists. You can also set an alarm and be woken up to the sound of your music. Overall, I was very impressed and would definitely recommend this product. Majority Audio are striving to become the first carbon neutral audio brand, which is why every product they sell, they plant a tree in the majority forest. So far, they have over 400,000 trees. So guys, go and check them out and I'll catch you in the next one.